In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the upper rearward control arm on your Kia Optima. Located behind the rear wheels, let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, go ahead and remove the lug nuts. Remove the tire. We're gonna start by removing this arm. It's gonna have two 19mm bolts. We're gonna start by taking this one. Using a 19mm socket, go ahead and take it out. Remove the bolt. And put it to the side. Next up, we're going to be removing this 19mm bolt. Using a 19mm socket and a 19mm wrench, we're going to go ahead and hold the knot on the other side. And now we're going to loosen the bolt. Remove the knot. And now take the bolt out. Go ahead and use a small pry bar. We're gonna pry on it slightly and pull it out. And here's the old one. We're gonna go ahead and install the rearward arm. We're gonna fish it through the front. Line it up with this hole. Put the bolt through. And start the knot by hand on the other side. Next up, we're gonna install this bolt. Go ahead and put it through. And I like to use a 26mm wrench to grab onto the arm and kind of help me twist it, because right now if you try to tighten it, the arm is actually facing down, so we're gonna have to twist it to move it up, like so. So we're gonna do that and put the bolt through. Line it up with the hole. And after you grab a couple threads, we're gonna go ahead and grab our 19mm socket. Now we're gonna torque it to 130 foot-pounds. And now this one, we're gonna torque it to 115 foot-pounds. Go ahead and put the 19mm wrench on the other side. This is just to hold the nut. Remove the wrench. Install the tire. And start the lug nuts by hand. Now we can get them snug. With the vehicle on the ground, go ahead and torque it to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.